interesting to see how people react to the same issue I am facing day to day in my work.
Participar en el Global Legal Forum ha sido una experiencia increíble, poder conocer gente tan experimentada en distintos campos, muy complementarios entre sí y sobre todo ver participantes de todo el mundo, de todas las regiones del mundo. Eso para mí es lo más enriquecedor.
The audiences have been great. They've asked relevant questions and they've been very supportive.
اليوم احنا شاركنا كمحامين إقليم كردستان العراق في مؤتمر Global Legal Forum. هذا تجربة جديدة بالنسبة للمحامين الكردستان واستفدنا كثير من المواضيع اللي طرحوا المتحدثين بالمؤتمر.
The keynote and the panel before me were kind of the perfect. One of them was regarding AI and generative AI, and then there was a panel regarding the effects on tech and generative AI in law firms. So once you address the possible answers, reflecting on the challenges and what are the problems related to the challenges, that's a cool part.
Join us for the next session. I think it's a very, very good experience.
Thank you to each and every one of you. Have a great trip and safe travels. Thank you.